Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manshow Parama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday. Kapsile present a comprisal to Nkonze regarding her radio show. While Madongwe looks set to let generally disappear from her heart. Something unexpected happened between Hlelo and Jeza. Tuesday. Kapsile makes a shocking decision that leaves Konzi frustrated. While Madongwe and generally have a heart-to-heart, Jeza and Sbu have an altercations with their boss. Wednesday, things don't go according to a plan for Nkonzi. Sbu and Jeza business finally takes off. A tension is higher between Nomaswazi and Viga when Nomaswazi gives him a friend warning. Generally is getting developed into a war country this day. Hlelo found herself conflicted between choosing looking bling rep and Kwanjomane VIP lounge. Kwanda found herself working along the side someone he detests, while Vega set his sights on Sbo and Jeza. Friday. Vega found evidence of sabotage and he takes a drastic measure in relations. Hleziphi make a big discovery that might have dire consequences. Kapsile strong arms Konzi into revealing himself to the world. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.